If you feel stuck, try this with me for the next 30 days. 1 mindset, 7 simple habits, and 3 minutes to lock it in. Habit 1. Daily gratitude journaling. Before I touch my phone, I write 3 specific things I'm grateful for. Not family, the way my sister made me laugh on Tuesday. Specifics wire the brain for joy. If my mind says, "There's nothing," I scan yesterday until I find one small win. Gratitude doesn't ignore pain, it balances it. Habit 2. Read 1 book per month. I pick a theme that serves my season. Self-mastery, mindset, focus. Then I set a tiny daily quota, 10 pages, 15 minutes. I keep the book where I can't miss it, by my pillow, in my bag, on my desk. 1 book a month is 12 mentors a year. That compounds. Habit 3. Learn mindfulness or meditation. 5 minutes, eyes closed. Breathe in for 4, out for 6. I notice thoughts like clouds and let them pass. When my mind spirals, I label it planning, label it worrying, smile, and return to breath. Meditation isn't about emptying the mind. It's about training where it rests. Habit 4. The No Complaining Challenge, 30 days. For 1 month, I replace complaints with a request or an action. "This meeting is pointless" becomes, "Can we clarify the goal?" If I slip, I reset the day without shame. I wear a bracelet and switch wrists every time I complain. It turns problems into prompts. Habit 5. Write affirmations that align with goals. I don't write fantasies, I write commitments. I show up on time for myself. I speak with clarity and kindness. I finish what I start. Then I tie them to evidence. 1 tiny action I took today that proves it. Affirmations stick when they ride on behavior. Habit 6. Visualize your ideal life each morning for 5 minutes. I picture a specific scene, what I'm working on, how I stand, who I serve, how it feels in my body. Then I visualize the obstacles and watch myself handle them calmly. Vision without rehearsal is a daydream. Vision with rehearsal becomes a plan. Habit 7. Develop a growth mindset. Anytime I hear "I can't," I ask, "How can I?" I add "yet" to every limit. I don't know how, yet. I break the challenge into the next teachable step. Find 1 resource. Take imperfect action. Progress loves humility. Here's the weekly rhythm that keeps me honest. Morning, gratitude, affirmations, 5-minute visualization. Midday, 2 minutes mindful breathing before a tough task. Evening, 10 pages, 1-line win in my journal. Daily, no complaining. Make a request or take an action. Remember, mindset isn't a switch, it's a garden. Plant small seeds, water them daily, pull the weeds when they show up. In 30 days, you won't become a different person. You'll become more of the person you've been trying to meet. If you're in, comment, "How can I?" and start today. 1 page, 1 breath, 1 better question at a time.